Okay, good morning, everybody. This is Rachel Trevino, forecaster here at Weather Service Paducah, and we do have some things to talk about this week, so I'm just going to get going. Probably the thing we really need to be paying attention to is there is potential for heavy rain and possibly localized flooding at times this week. The exact locations of where the heaviest rain sets up will continue to be fine-tuned over the next couple of days because, of course, that's how weather works. Each round through early Friday morning is expected to be mainly during the late night and early morning hours. That's when things will get going, so we'll just have to keep an eye on that. So we'll get in here. What you see on that map is a day 1 through 5 rainfall total, so you can kind of see where some heavier rain set up over the Mississippi River, and I will show you some more details on that here. First of all, the setup, the reason for all this is this front that is sitting off to our southwest right now will be very slowly pushing to the east over the next several days, and that front will be the focus of where the rainfall sets up, and that will also determine where the heavier rainfall sets up. So that is something that we will have to continue to watch because they don't always move exactly where we expect them to. The less important thing of today is we are in a marginal risk for our western counties, which is over in the Ozark foothills. We're not too terribly excited about that. It's not out of the question that we could get a strong storm late in the day into this evening. Like I said, not terribly excited about that, but that is something to keep an eye on. And here is the excessive rainfall outlook and forecast rain amounts for basically tonight, because that's when the rain chances get in here. As you can see, we have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall over in our far western counties. And again, not a big concern tonight, but I kind of want to show you how this risk area for excessive rainfall will gradually shift east through the next several days. So you see heavier rainfalls in blue are over in south central Missouri. Then you get into Tuesday night. You can see the heavier area is shifting more over into actual southeast Missouri and southwest Illinois. And then by Wednesday night, we actually have a slight risk over a lot of our counties that we cover over the Mississippi River, and it's now not just southeast Missouri, but also in much of southern Illinois and far west Kentucky. So you can see how those rain chances are migrating eastward. You can see the rainfall amounts for Tuesday night. A lot of, that's not a ton of rainfall per se, but we will have to be watching for training, which means we have, thunderstorms kind of lining up. Not that I want to reference our big rain event 2 weeks ago, but we had a lot of training going on. We had a front sitting over us, and the rain kept developing and just kept running across the same path. This is sort of that setup. We don't think it's that extreme or anything, but it is going to be something to watch. As you can see, the Wednesday night time frame, which would be mostly Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, that's when we see our heaviest rainfall amounts. Some pretty good, 2 to, I guess, pushing 3 inches in southwest Illinois. There's along the Mississippi River into southeast Missouri, and a lot of our area in some pretty good rainfall amounts. Again, it's not so important the exact rainfall amounts at this point. It's just something to keep an eye on and gives you an idea where we will need to keep an eye on things. And to show you how it will finally keep moving on out by Thursday night, again, probably more in the nighttime period, you see that marginal risk is kind of pushed off to our southeast, and those rainfall amounts in the blue are pushing off into maybe the Penny Row region of West Kentucky. So the main times will be probably the Tuesday night and the Wednesday night are biggest concerns right now. However, as it usually goes with weather, we need to continue to monitor the forecast for changes in our rainfall amounts, locations, and potential flooding this week. And after we get beyond this, there are some hints of severe weather potential late next weekend. Again, pretty far out, but something to keep an eye on. So we definitely want to keep an eye on the forecast this week. And obviously, if anything starts looking a lot more significant, we will be sending out some forecast packages for you